Hello, welcome to SDET Abhijit. This is the second part of important interview questions for software testing. So let's get started. First question is, what is hotfix? Hotfix is a workaround which can be some sort of configuration changes in order to resolve an issue that could be occur in running application or server. For example, this is important functionality which need to be fixed in time. So hotfix is a bug or any other feature which were missed, which could be um, fixed in limited order of time. The next question is, what is sprint? So sprint is usually period of 2 to 4 weeks in which the team members have to complete their assigned task. So when the project start, the all the user stories are assigned to the team members, and there is a sprint from 2 to 4 weeks, where in this sprint time the team members need to complete their assigned work. This is spread across the entire software development life cycle, with every new sprint starting after completing of previous sprint. After the previous sprint is finished, you need to start a new work with new sprint time. What is epic? Epic is a product feature which are broken down into achievable smaller tasks known as user stories in sprint interval. So as figure shows, the login page is a epic which is a part of our application, and the username, password, submit button are the user stories which we need to validate, and the epic is a product feature which is login page. The fourth question is, how many types of banking name have you heard of? So banking names are divided largely into retail banking, corporate banking, investment banking, internet or net banking, and mobile banking are the some of the name of banking types. The fifth question is, what are the various types of e-commerce sites? The various types of e-commerce sites are business to business, that is B2B, business to customer, that is B2C, and customer to customer, C2C are the name of various types of e-commerce sites. Sixth question is, what are the system integration test types? So as we know, integration testing is a testing of integration between two modules or two features. So there are four types of system integration testing, that is big bang integration, top down integration, bottom up integration, and hybrid integration. One question is, what are the tools used for API testing? So some of the famous tool for testing API are SOAP UPI, Postman, and Rest Assured. What are the status codes in HTTP? So as we know, status code are used in API testing, which shows the status of our request, which is successful or not successful, or which shows some error or not. So 100 is for informational, 200 is for successful redirection, 300 is for redirection, 400 is for client error, 500 is for server error. In question is, have you used Postman? So the answer is, the Postman is a scalable open source API testing tool. Here the scalable means if we put the request directly response, get the response from server. So API is interface that communicate between application using HTTP protocols using data formats like JSON. And the 10th question is, what are broken links? So broken links are the reason when the website are no longer available on the web page. So if you are want to redirect in a web page, if the web page is not available, the server shows you 404 error, which means the page is not available. These are the broken links which are not used. I hope you are all understand the important interview questions which are asked in interview of software testing. If you are new to our channel, please join us, and till then, take care.